Here's how to install the Instagram Threads. So, Threads is a new app built by the Instagram team for sharing text updates and joint public conversations. In Threads, you can log in using your Instagram account, and post can be up to 500 characters long and include likes, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. So the Instagram Threads app available for iOS and Android device. First of all, let's install the Threads in iOS. Go to your App Store and here search for Instagram Threads and you will get the official Instagram Threads application here. Now tap on Get. Double click on your side button to verify. And to install the Threads app on your Android device, go to your Play Store and search here Instagram Threads, and here you will get the official Instagram Threads application. Install it from here. Once it's installed, tap on Open to launch it, and now you can sign in here using your Instagram account. So this is how we can install Instagram Threads app in Android and iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.